Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I've got two really cool things for you. So the first thing I'm going to give you is a fantastic niche, but more than this I'm going to give you the exact prompt to use so you can find your own niches and you can modify it. As long as you understand the main parts of the prompt, you will get really good niches that you can take advantage of. And the main difference with the niches is that you will have a niche that's good buying, like a buying niche, but you won't have loads and loads of competition. So I'm going to show you that now. I'll show you the prompt and I'll show you an example of the niche and a few things that you need to get right about your niche in terms of keywords and angle. And if you do that, you'll be able to build sites or go into a niche with a funnel, or whatever you're doing, whatever products you've got in the niche, you'll be able to make money because you know that it's got an audience there and you're able to actually rank for it. So looking forward to showing you that. Also, check out the link in the description. I've put on an ultimate thank you offer. Now I won't talk about this too much, but this is the page and it is an immense offer. There's a lot there, so you've got everything that you need there to make sales in 2025. Do check out the video at the top because it will explain everything that you're getting, and it truly is a massive offer where you'll have everything you need for Amazon, for ClickBank, and for building funnels and how to use AI and all of that stuff. So do check that out. That's in the description and I will put it in the comments as well. And if you're interested in this stuff, do consider liking and subscribing on how to use AI and build income streams. Okay, so let's get straight into the prompt. I'll show you, and this is how you get a perfect niche. Here we go. So I'll read out the main parts of the prompt. You can modify it based on your needs, but as long as you've got these main parts, you'll be able to get a really good niche. The first part of the prompt is the priming, where you're actually telling AI, and for this prompt I'm actually using ChatGPT even 01, and I'm you can see here the priming. Act as an experienced SEO and Amazon affiliate marketing strategist. I need you to identify a profitable Amazon affiliate niche that meets the following criteria: high paying potential, buyer intent, SEO feasibility, angle, USP. So that's a really important part, the angle or the hook. So how you should position your content and to who. In your response, so this is how I'm telling AI how I want the output. So I've primed it, this is who you are, but when you're actually giving me the output, address the following: niche description, keywords and search intent, competition, content strategy, SEO tactics, promotional angle, monetization considerations, and practical next steps. Okay, and then I've put organized your answer in a clear structured format. If possible, briefly mention any relevant tools, data points or real world examples. So check this out. So again, it's using ChatGPT 01, and it's actually gone off and looked at this and it's given me smart home security systems and cameras. Now this is the important part. It's given me the niche description, high paying potential, the buyer intent, people searching for home security solutions typical have stronger purchase intent due to immediate needs, recent move, neighborhood security, upgrading from older systems. Okay, and then it's talking about SEO feasibility and so on. It's given me an idea on keywords and search intent here. Okay, best home security camera, wireless security camera. But get this, this is where the magic happens. You can see competition and the competitiveness, and it's actually saying here focus on real life scenarios. So how to, like you can see here, it's saying okay, you've got established tech review sites, CNET, Tech Radar. Well, you're not going to compete with them. But if you built a review site and you focused on real life scenarios, for instance, tailor your content to different home sizes, weather conditions, cold climates, rainy regions, advanced use cases, integration with Alexa, Google Home or Apple HomeKit, and also the different reasons that people would have them, like maybe they need a security camera for their garage, maybe they need it for pets, maybe they need it for the front door, maybe they need it that's got night vision, maybe they need a wide angle, maybe they need something that's really easy to set up that doesn't require wiring. So you've got all of these things, all of these scenarios that people find themselves in, and you can see here you've even got an idea on sub niches. For instance, smart apartment security, you could angle there. Renters who can't drill holes or install wired systems. Rural home security, systems with extended range and battery life. Senior citizen monitoring, so cameras and sensors to assist elderly or disabled family members. So by doing that, what you can do is you can take a massive niche with a huge piece of the pie and angle it towards your perfect audience member that would be interested in buying. It's also given me an idea on content strategy, you know, best of list, comparison guides, and of course we could pick an angle and then go further into the content strategy to make sure that you've got it laser targeted. It's given me an idea on on-page SEO. You could also use AI for interlinking the content together. An idea for an editorial calendar for content as well, and promotional angles, so budget versus premium solutions, integration and smart features, security and peace of mind. And then it's even given me some ideas on additional revenue streams, email newsletters, display ads. So main takeaways here is you can use that prompt to get a really, really good niche. Main takeaway is not only will it give you the niche, it will give you the actual angle to go into that then you can explore further, and that will mean that you've got a far, far better chance of ranking and making sales. So use that, give that prompt a go. I'll copy the prompt in the comments as well, so you've got it. Give that a go and find a niche. You could also adopt that for ClickBank. If you're interested in this stuff, do check out the ultimate thank you offer. It's one of my biggest offers ever. Do check that out. It's in the description and in the comments. And grab a spot. It is limited if you want a spot. But thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can use the niche I've just given you, or you can find your own using that prompt. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.